So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a pong game. I'll show you how it will works. Here's the demo of the game. If the paddle touches the ball and if the ball touches to the paddle, the score will change by 1. And if the ball touches the line which is over here, it will say game over or else it will get stopped. So we are making this project, guys. So for this we have to get a self or scratch on a new project. Just click in. Just a minute, guys. I have some issues. And here we go. There we go. So first we are gonna take a ball sprite. We must go to this and choose a sprite that's called a ball, just a normal ball. You may take any ball you want. You may choose a baseball or a basketball or a normal common ball. I'll choose a normal common ball because it looks nice for me. So I'm gonna take it. And we can delete this cat. And the backdrop is neon tunnel. We choose whichever backdrop. I'll choose neon tunnel because it looks nice for the game. So we must go to the events and take when green flag is clicked, point in direction 45. 45. And after that we're gonna take forever loop and move 15 steps. Okay. After that we must take if on edge bounce, it will bounce. You may see that it's bouncing. So after that we're gonna add another sprite called paddle. Just search the paddle. Paddle. So the paddle, there's only simple code for the paddle. When green flag is clicked, forever loop and must go to motion and take set X to. In sensing we have mouse X. So if we press, it will go through the mouse. Yeah, it's good. We have a paddle which checks the mouse and moves, and we have the ball which is perfect and moving on the edge. We're gonna go to the ball. Just go to the ball and we have to go to events and take when green flag is clicked, forever loop. If then loop again. After that it says touching paddle. So we're gonna go to sensing touching paddle. We'll change this to paddle. Touching paddle, then paddle, then we're gonna make a variable called score. SCOR is score. So we must go to the variables and take change score. So we're gonna take turn right side 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Just a minute, guys. I have some issues. I'll just be muted for a while. And sorry for the mute, guys. So, after that, turn right side 180 degrees. We're gonna take move 15 steps. Again, this one has again move 15 steps. Or else it will not move right side 180 degrees. Again, it will set the code that be bouncing. So it will work like that. 50 steps. And after that, we're gonna add a second code. We're gonna add 0.5 seconds. Yes, 0.5 seconds. Yeah, great. And have this. And we must add another sprite called a line. We'll search it. Line. Yeah. We'll put it. We'll put it in the last. We might put in how much ever last you want, but this is wide enough to me. So we go to the line, and for the line we have this is all. The line also have a few quotes, and when green flag is clicked, forever loop, and if then option touching ball. Let's see. Touching mouse pointer, we will change this to ball. Stop all. We will make that if the ball is touching through the line, it will stop all. So in the last, in the ball sprite, we must take when green flag is clicked, set score to 0. Here, set score to 0. So we will check that it will work or no. Yes, and if we leave, yep, it's good. And we start again. We must do a 3 times click and see it works. Yep, it goes nice and good. So please subscribe, like and comment and share my channel. Bye. Thank you guys.